This is Martin, the factory supervisor at Instaspace. We're going to go through some of the tools here with Martin and talk about kind of how happy he is with Hilti so far.
The best products we ever get of the Hilti is the reciprocation roll. It's one of the best things we get of them. You can compare that with the cordless. With the corded saws, is so powerful and so good. Battery lasting is good time. And the best thing we get of Hilti is the tippet hole saw. We try hundreds of different brands before, and always was the trouble with them. We can put only 3 or 4 holes each time. And with this one, we do over 60 holes on the bead.
So what's that? You said about 3 or 4 holes before?
Yeah, before we do actually 3 or 4 holes on each bead, and it was gone.
And then you got about 60 holes.
Over 60. That bead have done over 60 holes. It's still going.
Still going, which is good to hear.
On your saw is the plastic adapter, and you can put that and use that as the truck. So the system is very happy with that. Wood metal blade. You can't beat that with anything, any other blades. Good. Long lasting time.
Yeah, how many times longer was that lasting from what you were using before?
At least 4 or 5. It's made by the professionals for professionals.